Getting an Ahwal Madani appointment for a birth certificate in Saudi Arabia is the first step to get the Iqama for your newborn child in KSA. You will have to follow the same procedure if your wife delivered a child on a family visit visa. Birth notification from the hospital. The first step to get a birth certificate from Ahwal Madani in Saudi Arabia is to get baby's birth notification paper from the hospital where the baby is born. Make sure that all information mentioned in the baby birth notification is correct, especially your family Iqama ID, name, birth date, time and most important baby's name. The baby birth notification must have a hospital stamp and doctor or medical officer's signature. The hospital takes around 1 week to issue this birth notification, so it is better to apply for it just after the birth of the baby. Ahwal Madani appointment for birth certificate. First of all, you must have an activated Ministry of Interior account to get Ahwal Madani's appointment for birth certificate. If you don't have an account, create an account through this link. Once the account is created, you need to log into it by entering your user ID or Iqama number, password and the captcha code. An SMS will be sent to your mobile number with an authentication code that you need to enter in the next screen. Once you are logged into your account, you need to look for The Appointments tab on the front screen, as the option to get Ahwal Madani appointment is kept in this category. In the next step, you will be given several options to select from and you will have to select Civil Affairs. The next page will be showing details of what you can do in this portal, as you can get an Ahwal Madani appointment to apply for a birth certificate, update an existing appointment, print an appointment or cancel it. You just need to click on Proceed to Service. A new screen will appear containing details of all your previously booked appointments with Ahwal Madani. As you can see, I haven't booked an appointment yet. I will click on Book New Appointment with Ahwal Madani for a birth certificate. In the next step, you will find different options to select from. You need to select Tasjil Waqi'a Milad option. After this, select your region. In my case, I have selected the region of Makkah as I live in the city of Jeddah. Therefore, you should know the region in which your city is situated. From the next page, you will have to select the city you want to visit to make the birth certificate of your child. Keep in mind, you will have to get an Ahwal Madani appointment to apply for a birth certificate of the same city where your child has taken birth. They will not entertain your application if you take an appointment in some other city. A new screen will be opened from where you will have to select the date for the Ahwal Madani appointment. According to my personal experience, they keep only 10 days open at a time to get appointments. If you want to get an appointment for a later date, you will have to come again to apply. Recently, they have started booking appointments at night time as well. If you take an appointment at night time, you don't have to bunk your office. A new screen will open containing the details of documents you need to bring to the Ahwal Madani office. Make sure you print the appointment for birth certificate, as the person who gives token in Ahwal Madani checks date and time on your appointment paper before giving you a token. You should only go there on the same date as mentioned in the appointment paper. There is a late birth registration fee of Saudi Riyals 50 if you are going to the Ahwal Madani or Civil Affairs office after 1 month of your child's birth. Make sure you pay the late birth registration fee online. The detailed guideline to pay the fee is given in the description of this video. Required documents for birth certificate in Saudi Arabia. Prepare the file of the following documents before you visit Ahwal Madani to get your baby's governmental birth certificate in Saudi Arabia. Make sure you print the appointment for birth certificate, as the person who gives token in Ahwal Madani checks date and time on your appointment paper before giving you a token. You should only go there on the same date as mentioned in the appointment paper. Number 1. Copy of baby's birth notification issued by the hospital. Number 2. Iqama copy of the baby's father. Number 3. Iqama copy of the baby's mother. Number 4. Passport copy of the baby's father. Number 5. Passport copy of the baby's mother. Number 6. Filled Form 87 for birth certificate. Number 7. A copy of the Saudi visa stamped on the mother's passport in case the mother does not have an Iqama. You can download the PDF copy of Form 87 for birth certificate registration from the link given in the description of this video. The form needs to be filled in Arabic. You can either fill it yourself or pay around Saudi Riyals 15 to any Saudi sitting in front of the Ahwal Madani office to do this job. Submit the documents to Ahwal Madani. In order to take the birth certificate in Saudi Arabia, try to reach the Ahwal Madani office at least 20 minutes before your appointment. You will take a token and wait for your turn. Submit all the documents to the respective counter and wait for the birth certificate to be printed. They will call your name once the birth certificate is ready. A text message will be sent on your mobile from Ahwal Madani confirming the issuance of a birth certificate in Saudi Arabia. As soon as the birth certificate is issued by the Civil Affairs or Ahwal-e-Madani, you can check the list of your dependents in the Upshur account. The newborn has been added to the list now and an Iqama number has been issued for him. Misprinted name on the birth certificate. If the name on the birth certificate is incorrect, you need to immediately raise the issue and he will ask you to go to the manager downstairs to rectify it. The manager will ask you to take another fresh copy of the birth certificate from upstairs after the rectification. Attestation by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The next step is to get the birth certificate attested by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs if you are an expatriate living in Saudi Arabia. The good news is that the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has opened a counter at Ahwal Madani Jeddah office to do the attestation of birth certificate. If you have already paid the fee for Ministry of Foreign Affairs attestation, you can go to that counter straight away and get it attested. If you are in any other city where the Ministry of Foreign Affairs attestation is not available within the Ahwal Madani, you need to go to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs office to do the process. After this, you will have to apply for the passport of the newborn baby through the embassy or consulate of your country. Birth certificate on a family visit visa. If a child is born in Saudi Arabia but his mother is on a family visit visa, you need to follow the same procedure as mentioned above until you get your newborn baby's passport. 15 days before leaving Saudi Arabia, visit the Idara Wafidin section in Jawazat along with the following documents to get the exit stamp on the child's passport. Number 1. Original passport of baby plus copy. Number 2. Original Iqama of baby's father plus copy. Number 3. Original passport of baby's father plus copy. Number 4. Original passport of baby's mother plus copy. Number 5. A copy of the Saudi visa stamped on the mother's passport. Number 6. Baby's birth certificate issued by Ahwal Madani in Saudi Arabia. Get the Iqama for the newborn. After the attestation is done, you still have to continue with the processing of passport to get Iqama for the newborn. We have tagged a video explaining the process to apply for the Iqama for a newborn in Saudi Arabia. God forbids if you lose the birth certificate for any of your children, you need to report it through your Upshur account.